Good morning. I am welcoming back you in the EG 1308 course Matrix Algebra through SciLab. Now, up to today, we have done how to introduce matrix. For example, A 1 2 3 4. That is the 2 by 2 matrix. And to change the specific entry of the matrix, we have two ways: either write this and just replace the entry, or double click here and the Excel sheet opens here and you replace value there just by writing new values, close it and call it new matrix is now 1 2 5 0 50 40. Sorry. Okay, so you can do in these both ways. I have promised that there are many ways and I will explain you as course goes on. Okay, now let's start doing the other things. For example, now I want to introduce the another matrix, that is 3 by 3 matrix. 1 2 3 4 5 6. As you know that to separate rows we are using this, and to separate entries in column we are using space. 7 8 9, and here is the matrix B. Now if I will give you the command A plus B, you know that this is not possible because A is 2 by 2 matrix and B is 3 by 3 matrix, so its addition is not possible. So let's see how this reacts. It is saying that inconsistent row column dimensions. So dimension of matrix A and B are not same, so I cannot perform the operation A plus B. Okay. Now if again some another matrix is of 3 by 3 order, let me say C is equals to, just changing few entries, replacing this by 6, this by 9, and saying that it is my new matrix, and I can perform the operation B plus C because the dimension of B and C are same. Okay, now if I want to call any of the specific entry of the matrix B or C, let me call B also. If I want any of the entries of this matrix, then you can use the respective command in this way. For example, 2 3, and in the second row third column entry is 6. Okay, similarly if I want to call this entry that is in the third row second column, so command will be B3 2. Now if I want to change the entry, this entry specifically B3 2, okay, means I want to change this entry 8 by something else, then just write there here is equal to 10. And now new matrix B is with the changed entry. For example, here it 8, now it is replaced by 10. Okay, so you can use this command also to change any of the entry of your matrix. Let me call C. What is that? Now my B is this and C is this. If I want to call any of the row or any of the column of our matrix, then command is like this. For example, B colon comma 2. This will give me the second column of matrix B. Similarly, if I want to call the first column, command is this. If I want to call third column, command is this. That's very much obvious. Now if I want to call any of the row, then command is, for example, second row, then command is B2 comma colon. It will give me second row. Similarly for the first row and for the third row also. Okay. Now if by mistake I give here command 4, it will give that invalid index, means matrix B is not having the fourth row, so you cannot get that. Okay, that's very much obvious. So this is the another way to one way I have explained that if you want to change any of the entries of the matrix, this is the another way to change that, and to call row and column of any of the matrix. Let me call again B and C. Now if I want to replace this second column of C by the second column of B, what should be the command? Just think about it. Pause the video and think for it. Now obviously if I want to call any of the column of C, then command is, as we know, this, and I want to replace that by B's second column. So now see, the B's second column is replaced by B's C's second column is replaced by B's second column. Okay, let's write another matrices here. All the entries of B and C are other than the second column are same, so you may not get. Let me write another matrix and you will able to see that. Let A be 1 3 5 2 4 6. Oh sorry, I forgot to write colon, semicolon here, and this matrix is A. Let me write B B 10 20 30 45 85 96 78 56 12. And now if I want to replace the second column of A by third column of B, so the command is A's second column, so second column should be replaced by B's third column. See, B's third column is 30 96 12, so it is here instead of A's second column. And now A is replaced. Whenever you will call A is now this one. Okay, so you can use these operations to change the entries of your matrix. That is another good sign to perform operations together. Okay, similarly you can do for rows also. Let's replace let me call B also. Now I want to replace the third row of A by first row of B. So third row of A command, you know, is this, and first row of B, so its command is this. And see, this 4 12 60 is replaced by 10 20 30. Okay, you can do this for any dimensional matrix, and of course if the dimensions are not matching, it will not perform. For example, let me write here D is equals to 2 3 4 5, and if I will give these operations to D, let's see what happens. It will say that submatrix incorrectly defined. So this dimension is 3, and here this dimension is 1, so sorry 2, so 1 less, so you cannot perform that operation. Okay, so do the practice of these things and stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.